In this video, we're going to talk all about OC Midnight Plum installs and why this color is catching eyes but still kinda rare, especially over here in Pennsylvania. So, if you're a contractor or just someone thinking about using OC Midnight Plum for your next project, stick around because I'm going to share some real tips on how to nail the install and get that rich, deep plum shade to pop just right. First off, lighting plays a huge role with darker colors like this. Make sure you're not placing it in a spot where it looks muddy or flat. When prepping the surface, clean and prime properly, because any imperfections will show up more with such a bold color. Also, consider the finish, matte, satin, or semi-gloss, and how it'll affect the look once it's dry. Don't rush the application. Thin, even coats are the way to go to avoid streaks and uneven coverage. I always recommend testing a small patch first if you can. This helps you see how the color actually dries in your specific environment. Plus, keep in mind that this color pairs well with lighter trims or natural wood accents to balance out the dark vibes. And hey, if you're dealing with outdoor siding or cabinetry, use paint designed for exterior durability so your Midnight Plum stays fresh through weather changes. One of the biggest mistakes I see with OC Midnight Plum installs is not considering the undertones properly. This color can lean more purple or brown depending on the light and base paint, so testing is key before going all in. Another common issue is applying paint too thickly because that leads to drips and a blotchy finish. Slow and steady wins here. Lastly, people often forget to prep their materials or surfaces well enough. Dirt, dust, or old paint can totally mess up the final look and cause peeling down the line. The fix? Take time to clean thoroughly and sand where needed, then prime with a neutral base to help OC Midnight Plum lay down evenly. If you're looking to get this kind of project done but want to avoid the hassle of hunting down reliable pros, BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot to connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff. And if you're a contractor yourself, it's a cool way to find new clients looking for specialty jobs like this without all the usual legwork. So yeah, whether you're painting your home's exterior or upgrading interior spaces with OC Midnight Plum, having the right crew and know-how really makes all the difference.